Hi, today for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the icon changer app on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the X icon changer. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, tap to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you can change. For example, let's change the settings application icon. If you want to rename it, just click here to this edit name icon. Here you'll see library with the different available icons. You can use them, or also you could use the photos from your device gallery, or just to take a picture right now in camera app. For example, I'll use one from these available icons. Just then tap to OK on the right upper corner, and now we should just skip these videos. So click to this cross icon. Now we can add this shortcut to our home screen. Let's tap it here, and now we can change another application or to go to the home screen to see the new settings icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.